What's up, y'all? Back again. So we almost done with the dry cleaning. No, we are done with the dry cleaning, excuse me. Officially done with the dry cleaning. Now, I'm halfway done with the wet cleaning. So that will be done probably the next hour or so. And then we're going to be grinding everything we haven't touched yet. Mostly the belly and the side fuel, the side rails. And then we're gonna prep it. I'm gonna hit it with some concrete metal prep, especially in some spots that's hard to get to. And then, yeah, then we're gonna prime it with the Rust-Oleum primer. Taking a toll on me. But yeah, we're getting it together. Y'all got a man help me out. We need that part, bro. This frame's almost painted. You feel me? So we got to get that part ASAP, because I'm not going to put that after. The suspension right here is not going on until we have that part. So yeah, help me out. I didn't see it on eBay. Looks like there's none on eBay right now. So if you're near a junkyard, near Caprice or whatever, take that out for me. It's on the right side, passenger side. Yeah, I appreciate it. Cash App you, however you want to do it. Send that off so we can get this giveaway box Chevy rolling. What else? Yeah. So let me go hit this side with some degreaser and stuff. And then, yeah. Then we're gonna get ready to start grinding. All right, let's go. Tell me why I said, hey yo, if it's like 12:31, I might go home, call it a night, go get some rest. I look at the clock, it's 3:12 in the morning. So, I'm done. She's all cleaned up. No more degreaser. Hallelujah, thank God. Praise the Almighty. So now, straight wire wheel time. We're gonna get it together. The last thing I had to degrease was the cross member for the trans, but it's all clean under here. Now it's time to go home. But tomorrow I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna start grinding everything down. And once I'm done grinding everything, I feel comfortable, then I will hit it with the concrete metal prep and then let that sit. I really wanted to do that tonight, but I'm gonna hit that with the concrete metal prep and then probably let it sit a few hours, 8 hours, and then I'll hit it with the primer. Then we're gonna get the paint. Oh, I'm gonna take this heat shield down too tomorrow. But I'm going to sleep. I'm going home. I ain't sleeping on this garage floor. I got to go. See y'all later. Have a good night. Good morning. Not good morning. Rise and shine. Stay blessed.